Good afternoon, my dear brothers and sisters. I am now 20 years being a priest. And if we try to look back, I entered the seminary when I was still a high school student. And that was around 1990. Dugay-dugay na yun. And if we try to rewind, the reason why I entered the seminary because I was an acolyte, usa ko ka sakristan when I was in grade 5 and grade 6. And if we try to rewind pa yun, until now I could still remember my friend, a neighbor, his name is Jumel, who invited me to become an acolyte. And since then, I was exposed in the parish and I decided to become a priest. Even until today, I am very thankful for Jumel. I cannot locate him in the Facebook. I don't know where he is right now. But every time I would talk about my vocation, I will always remember Jumel. And I am very grateful for him for inviting me to become an acolyte. And later on, because of that, I entered the seminary, and now I am a priest. Thank you, Jumel, wherever you are. I make that as an introduction, my dear brothers and sisters, because in our gospel reading today, the Lord is inviting us to be closer to Him through the Eucharist. The word that we are going to reflect is invitation. Every day of our lives, we invite people. And above all, I'm sure our coming here, maybe one of you has invited. In other words, invitation is very crucial. It could make or unmake you. It could make or unmake other people. If we invite, remember three things. Number one, invite in order to do good. Nagpasabot, mangimbitar ganita, nga ang atong giimbitar, maghimo tag maayo nga mga butang. To do good. Perhaps we invite our friends in order to do charitable works. We invite our members of the family to pray. Always at the back of our mind, I invite you to do good. Kaya usahay, sayon ra kay imbitar, siguro manuroy, usahay magduwa og sikitsa, magmadyong, manglibak, mangmarites, kana marites nga manguhit bitaw, kibaw ba mo? Ana. Ninot pod nga manguhit pud ta so that people can do good. Invite to do good. Number two, invite in order to do holy joy. Holy joy. I try to put an adjective, holy. Okay, there are many kinds of joy, and there are joys or happiness that will not make us closer to the Lord. Holy joy. Sa iyo naman na-invite o maligog dagat, mag-malling, mag-shopping. Pero dito po nga, we invite people for holy joy. So may mga holy joy. Kanang mga kalipay bitaw nga makapasantos nato. Like panalitan, ato inviton para paapilon og Walk for Jesus or LSS. Invite to nato for Bible sharing. Invite to nato for rosary. Kanang mga kalipay nga makapalangit. Di lang tawhanon nga kalipay. Sayon ra kay invite ang tawhanon nga kalipay. Party, kay birthday, or graduation, malipay man na. Pero invite po og holy joy. And number three, invite other people to become closer to the Lord. Mao ni ang inyong assignment. Ilabi na kita nga mansimbahay dinhi, ugma, okay? Ugma, kung musimba mo balik, invite one person. Ugma, yung simba ninyo. Pero di naman ako'y mumisa, sige lang, huntod hoybis, paninglan ta mo. No? And also for you nga nagtanaw sa television karon, dalaygon kayo nga nagtanaw mo, pero nindot po siguro, inigtanaw ninyo sa TV, Di lang nga, ay, alas 12:15 na, misa na. Invite those people who are also in your house. Invite ta imong anak, invite ta imong bana, invite ta pod inyong mga maid, nga musimba uban kaninyo. And so, my dear brothers and sisters, that is our assignment. Nindot kaayo nga matagsimba nato, we invite one person to go to church. And who knows, you are an instrument for that person, for his conversion, to be closer to the Lord. Again, I thank Jumel for inviting me to become an acolyte. Hopefully, the Lord will also thank you for bringing one soul back to the Lord. Amen.